In the heart of a quiet library, a curious girl immersed herself in forgotten tales. An old tome beckoned her, glowing softly between the shadows. Her fingers trembled with excitement as she unfolded the mysterious parchment. Symbols flickered, swirling with an energy of their own. Suddenly, the air shimmered. A whirlwind of colors enveloped her, pulling her towards an adventure beyond imagination. She landed softly in a world bursting with life. Creatures chattered in melodies, their laughter ringing like wind chimes. A spirited dragon danced playfully, its laughter echoing through the vibrant flora. Joy filled this magical land, yet shadows crept in. Excitement turned to confusion. As she rushed to translate their words, misunderstandings sparkled like thunder in the air. Observers of the chaos, clever fox and vibrant dragon exchanged worried glances. They needed to bring harmony back to their world. With resolve growing within her, she called for unity. "Let's share our stories through song and dance," she exclaimed. Laughter harmonized with music, filling the air with warmth. Colors intertwined, creating a tapestry of friendship through rhythm. Suddenly, danger loomed. The swirling vortex threatened to pull her away, but together they stood strong against the tempest. She led them in a dance of unity. Joy surged around them, brightening the world, sealing the chaos into laughter. Home at last, she cradled her memories. The adventure within her heart thrummed with lessons of friendship and reverence for all cultures.